Welcome to Manika, America.
In this episode, we are taking you on an exciting journey through the Smithsonian Museum of Natural History in Washington D.C. Get ready to explore the incredible exhibits and collections that showcase the diversity and complexity of our planet's history and natural world. From towering dinosaur skeletons and ancient fossils to precious gemstones and stunning ocean life, this museum has something for everyone. Plus, we'll give you an exclusive look at the world-famous Hope Diamond. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay up to date on all our future adventures. So let's dive and discover the wonders of Smithsonian of Natural History together. Let's go and let's check it out. As you walk into the museum, you are greeted by a massive elephant that seems to be trumpeting in the lobby. The African elephant is the largest mammal on land, and this one is no exception. It's just one of the many examples of the incredible creatures that are on the display at the museum. The dinosaur exhibit is a must-see. You will see full-size skeletons and interactive displays that will give you a glimpse of what life was like during that era. One of the highlights is the T-Rex skeleton that towers above you in the exhibition hall. The Ocean Hall is another impressive exhibit. The museum has over 6,000 specimens of marine life, including life-size models of whales, dolphins, and sharks. You can learn about the different habitats and ecosystems that make up our oceans and creatures that inhabited them. The Hope Diamond is one of the museum's most famous attractions. This beautiful blue diamond is over 45 carats and is estimated to be worth over $250 million. You can see the diamond up close and learn about the history and the science behind its unique color. The museum also has an extensive collection of gems and minerals, including the largest cut gemstone in the world, the 563 carat Star of India. You can learn about how these precious stones form and how they are used in jewelry and other industries. So friends, that's a wrap up of our tour of Smithsonian Museum of Natural History in Washington D.C. We hope you enjoyed our journey through the incredible exhibits and collections that showcase the diversity and complexity of our planet's natural world. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay up to date on all our future adventures. Thanks for watching Manika America. God bless you.